just take it. What? What's it guys? I messed up. Okay, I thought. Guys, we're back with another video, and as you can tell, I got 2 bowls in front of me. Do you guys know what that means? You do? Comment down below in the comments. And my mom's gonna help me with this one because she's gonna put the cards under here, and whichever one I touch or pick, either one, I'm gonna use that to make my slime. I really hope I get to make a good slime. Do you guys know what kind of slime do you think I'm gonna make? You do? Comment down below. Okay, I'm really excited for this because this is gonna be the most exciting video. Okay, let's just get into it. Number 1. I don't know what could be under here, but I just hope I get good ingredients. Let's mix it up. Okay, I think we're done mixing it. I don't know which one I'm gonna pick. This is actually hard. I'm gonna pick this one. Okay, what's it here? Color glue! Yes! Yes! I always wanted color glue! But I used that last time. I really hope I get purple, because I used purple blue last time. Yeah. Okay, that's good. This was amazing. I actually got my favorite color glue. Look at this. Number 2. Okay, I'm choosing this one because I really don't know. And I got regular glue. Wait, what was in the number? What was in the other one? I'm gonna check. Oh, glows in the dark color glue. I wanted this one. Well, at least I got regular. Right, guys? Am I right? Yeah, I guess I am right. Just pop into my rug. Okay. Let's get to the next one. Number 3. Okay, I want to pick this one. What do you think I got? I see a B. What? Oh, I got B. Wait, what was in this one though? No, I wanted the gem. Well, at least I got B, I guess. Well, that was actually fun. Drop it to my mouth. Let's get to the next round. Round number 4. I'm so excited. Let's just mix it up. I don't know which one I'm gonna pick. This is actually hard because I don't see nothing. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tag on my toe. It's a hard Lego. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'm just gonna say I choose this one. The ultimate lift. I should go my lord. I see it. You know, it goes like glitter. Oh wait, what's the other one? Color glitter. Wait, what? Dark glitter. I'm confused. Is that supposed to say color glitter? I'm just confused. Well, I'm just excited. I got color glitter. I mean, like glitter. Why is it color? It's not. It's mostly color. But I got like glitter. Plop it into my mouth. Okay, let me just put that. Let's get into the next round. Get to the next round. Do you guys know what time it is? Because I do. It's jam session! Hit it, Mom! Round number 5. Oh boy, that was fun. Don't you guys just love jam sessions? Because I do. Let's mix it up. Okay. No shave. No! I got no shaving cream. Wait, did that someone have actual shaving cream? Are you kidding me? It did. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is like the worst day. Why? Why does that happen to me? This Let's get into the next. Wait, what? What is this? Just kidding. What? Just kidding. I can get shaving cream. What was that about? Let me get the no shaving cream something. That was weird. Well, my little puppet. Wait. Okay, let's move on to the next round. Whew. Round number 6, the final round. Okay. I don't know which one I want. I want this one. I also want this one. I want this one. Let's just go do eeny, meeny, miny. Oh my god, my reflection was weird on it. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Get it done. So if it holds, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Wait, that's just that last round? You know, yeah, I think I did. I don't know. We're just gonna choose this one. I drop. Please don't be eye drop. Are you kidding me? I got the rainbow beads. Hey, what was the other one? One color beads. What? So then why did I have the beads in there if I was already going to do this round? What? I'm just confused. But the other blue one had the one color beads, and I picked the rainbow beads. But that's cool. Yeah. So I guess I'm gonna make fluffy, whatever, fluffy. I don't know what to put. Fluff. Oh wait, I put my thing in there. Get in there, Jesus. Okay. Let's get into the next. Let's get mixing. Get mixing. Just put it in the first. Okay, that's all. That's all we do. Yes. We gotta put in this glue. It keeps happening! Why? Why does this keep falling out? That's crazy, guys. Bad luck for me, I guess. Wait. I don't get any good luck nowhere, I guess. Wait, what's the I think I need help. I can't even open that. You see me open the other one, but I can't open this one. Okay, thank you. Don't push it. Beautiful. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, why is this coming out? Get out, man. We need you to get out. Oh, I gotta squeeze hard. Okay, I think that's good. Just take it. Okay. Do a little bit activator out of 10. Do you think that's good? I don't know. Okay, it's good. There I got just like I got it. It feels so weird. I don't know. Oh my god. Okay, we're doing a little bit better. But it feels weird. I need more detergent, floating hand. Whatever it's called. Floating hand, whatever. I don't know what it's called. Get the detergent. Okay, we gotta wait till this becomes slime so I can have the shaving cream. And this is gonna take longer because I don't have a spoon. I guess. So we're just whatever. This is actually okay, it's coming together a little bit. Get out. Okay, it actually turned to slime. I need shaving cream floating hand! Give me shaving cream! It's raining shaving! Cream out from the sky! Come on! It's raining. Why floating hand? Put my hand. My God's over here. Why floating hand? Look at this. Guys, the floating hand did that to me. How could you, floating hand?
Sorry.
A floating hand cannot speak. Who was that? Why? Just why? It was going so well until the floating hand did that. Wow. Well, this is going to shine. Yeah. My God. It looks like cobwebs, purple cobwebs. How much? Okay, don't get the detergent. Okay, let's go. Too much. So just grab it. Mix. Literally, they actually did this. I got shaving cream on me everywhere. Okay, it's coming together, I guess. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna try to make a bubble off of the slime. Why did I hear a giggle? Is that from the floating god of heavens? Put this over here. Okay, guys, it's coming together. In 3, 2, 1. It's Dranglina. Orange! Thank you, God. Oh, dang, imagine if we got light green for leprechaun. Beautiful. Why is there anime? I'm just thinking of anime. Beautiful. Okay, I think we should take it out. We're gonna get the beads. Ooh. I don't want to put a lot. I'm scared of that. Oh no, that's good. Should I add a little bit more? Okay, no. I don't want to add too much. beautiful. Okay, I promise you guys I'm gonna try to make a bubble. Let's do it. I'm scared. What? That's sick. I never got to make a bubble before, and that's actually my first time. Cause I have a slime in my room that I'd be using to practice making bubbles. What? Wait, I wasn't trying to make something. I need to fluff it out. Hello guys, I'm on camera. They're turning my eyes. That is satisfying. Okay, we're gonna do something, test something. I know. Just destroy the bubble. Like say, you don't live in this world, I do. I just destroyed that. Get your slime, baby. I want them. You know, this is the best slime. You know, I have one in my room that's even better. Oh my god. Look, I made mini bubbles. Look, see that? I made mini bubbles. Sure. This is beautiful. What? That's you. Wait, I'm gonna try to make a donut. Yeah, donut. Bye. I love this slime. That is satisfying. Here it is, guys. That is satisfying. I love it. I know, right? I know. Just take it. What? Look at this, guys. Do you see this? This is amazing. Bubble. Okay. Okay, we're getting better at making slime. I know. Because it turned out the way I wanted to be. Just light purple. Because it's beautiful. It popped. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is actually. I wonder if the God of Hair wanted to hold it. Do you want to hold it? I always say that's a yes. What does she think? Put a thumbs up if you like it. Put no thumbs up. Yeah, she loves it. I give this an affinity because this is actually my second fluffy slime. I thought it wouldn't turn out so good at the beginning because I thought it wouldn't be that good. But I guess I was just pronouncing what was happening. But it actually turned out amazing. I just used that bowl. So we're gonna wrap it up. See you guys later.